welcome to Purchase Reviews. Today I'll be reviewing the quietest and most powerful aquarium air pump I've ever owned, the Hygger HG946. Do I need to make a comparison video on all the aquarium air pumps on the market that claim to be the quietest? Simple answer, no, because this pump has already exceeded all my expectations. Here are two of the aquarium air pumps I was using prior. I'll let you judge for yourself the difference in sound between these units compared with the Hygger. I'll do a comparison with airline tubing and without, because a lot of the sound you're going to hear from the Hygger pump are the bubbles from the filter sponges and not the actual pump itself. Although these other air pumps aren't the noisiest I've ever heard, I was still not happy with how loud they were and with the lack of power they have to run the filter sponge in my 70-litre aquarium. This Hygger unit comes with two airline outputs, so you can run a sponge filter and an air stone, or attach two sponge filters, which is how I use it to filter my aquarium. The size of the unit is 3.9 inches in height, 7.5 inches in length, and 5.1 inches in width. This unit is made from ABS plastic and stainless steel, runs on 10 watts of power, under 30 decibel of sound, has rubber stoppers, allows for 2 meters depth, has a flow of 255 GPH, is suitable for aquariums 20 to 600 gallons, and has a power cord length of 6 feet. My air pump came with some airline tubing and a couple of check valves which you'll need to attach anywhere along the airline tubing to prevent the water from flowing back down the line from the aquarium and into the pump. This Hygger air pump is very powerful, even on the lowest setting. There's no comparison with the other pumps I was using, which were noisy and not powerful enough to keep up with the filtration requirements for my aquarium. All I'm hearing now is just the bubbles and not the noisy air pump like I was before. I'm very happy with this pump and don't know how I was putting up with those other units for all these years. I'll leave some links to where you can find this model and read up on other customer reviews. If you enjoyed this video, consider liking and subscribing for future reviews and how-to videos. Until next time, thanks for visiting Purchase Reviews and happy pumping.